So good morning everyone. So we are starting our next bit, that is sixth bit. So what is the next equation? Subtract the product of 2x into 5x minus 5 from the product of 3x into x plus 2x 2y. So from this we have to subtract this term. Okay, so product of this from this, that means we have to subtract from this okay, this term from this we have to subtract this term. So how to write that? Now 3x into x plus 2y minus, why we are doing minus here? Because they told to do subtraction. Okay, so minus 2x into 5x minus y. So first you multiply. So this is a monomial, this is a binomial, monomial, binomial. So we are multiplying monomial with binomial term. That means each and every term should be multiplied with bracket term. Okay, so 3x should be multiplied with x as well as with 2y. In the same way 2x should be multiplied with 5x as well as with y. Okay, now 3x into x, 3x into x, here plus is there, so plus 3x into 2y minus 2x into 5x minus 2x into y. So each and every term I multiplied here. So 3x into x will be 3x square. 3 ones are 3. X into x is x square. Plus 3 twos are 6. X into x is, x into y is xy. Minus 2 fives are 10. X into x is x square. So 2 fives are is 10. X into x is x square. Minus 2 ones are is 2. X into y is xy. So we will see the like terms here. This x square, this is also x square. So these two are like terms. So x square I am writing as it is. 3 minus 10. 3 minus 10 will be minus 7 x square. Now xy term you see. So this is xy, this is also xy. So these two are like terms. So plus 6 minus 2. Plus 6 minus 2 will be how much? Plus 4. So what is the result here? Minus 7x square plus 4xy. So this is our sixth bit. Next is seventh bit. Subtract, same again. Subtract 3k into 5k minus l plus 3m from the other value, other expression. So how to write that? Second expression, from second expression you have to subtract the first expression. So what is second expression here? 6k into 2k plus 3l minus 2m, and what we are doing? We are doing subtraction. So minus, what is the first expression? 3k into 5k minus l plus 3m. Okay, so this 6k is a monomial, this is trinomial, monomial, trinomial. So already I told you how to multiply monomial with trinomial. So each and every term we have to multiply with trinomial term. Okay, so that will be 6k into 2k plus 6k into 3l minus 6k into 2m. Okay, now coming to this, minus 3k into 5k, minus into minus will be plus. Now 3k into l, now minus into plus will be minus, again 3k into 3m. Okay, so now multiply the terms. 6 2s are 12, k into k is k square, plus 6 3s are 18, k into l is kl, minus 6 2s are 12, k into m is km, minus 3 5s are 15, k into k is k square, plus 3 1s are 3, k into l is kl, minus 3 3s are 9, k into m is km. Now what are like terms here? K square are like terms. So how much it will be? Plus 12 minus 15 will be minus 3k square. Next KL terms. KL. So plus 18 plus 3. 18 plus 3 is how much? 21. So plus 21 KL. Next KM terms you see now. This is KM. This is also KM. So KM I am writing as it is. Minus 12 minus 9. Minus 12 minus 9 will be minus 21. So this is our result. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Minus 3k square plus 21 KL minus 21 KM is our result. Okay. So this is our 7th bit. Next is last bit in this exercise. So what is last bit? Simplify. We have to simplify. So what is the question? Given that a square into a plus b, sorry, a minus b plus c plus b square into a plus b minus c minus c square into a minus b minus c. So each and every term we have to multiply and we have to simplify the given question. So first you multiply. This is monomial, trinomial, monomial, trinomial, monomial, trinomial. So we are multiplying monomial with trinomial now. So each and every term you multiply now. A into a square into a. Here minus is there, so minus. Again a square into b. Here plus is there, so plus. Again a square into c. Now this term plus b square into a plus again b square into b minus again b square with c. Now last term minus c square into a, minus into minus will be plus, again c square into b, minus into minus is plus, so c square into c. Okay, now you multiply this. A square into a will be a cube minus a square into b is a square b plus a square into c is a square c plus b square into a is b square a plus b square into b is b cube minus b square into c will be b square c minus a square into a is c square into a is c square a. Next is c square into b will be c square b plus c square into c will be c cube. Okay, now you rearrange this and any like terms are there or not, you see. First I am bringing all the cube terms together. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now a square b, anywhere you are seeing a square b, a square b. No, so write as it is minus a square b. Now a square c, a square c, anywhere you are seeing a square c. No, so write as it is. Next b square a, anywhere you are seeing b square a. No, so write as it is. Next b square c, b square c is also not there, minus b square c. Next c square a is also not there, and last is c square b. So this is our 8th solution. Okay, so next is we are starting our new exercise, that is 11.3. So in this we will multiply binomial with binomial. Already I told you how to multiply binomial with binomial. We will see here. So multiply the binomials. So what is the first bit? Multiply the binomials. They have given two binomial expressions. We have to multiply them. So what is the first one? 2a minus 9 and 3x plus 4. So we have to multiply these two terms. Okay. So here given 2a minus 9 and 3x plus 4, we have to do product of this. So 2a minus 9 into 3x plus 4. If you are not seeing any sign, that means it is having a multiplication sign. We are multiplying these two binomials. So how to multiply these two binomials? So first choose any one of the expression. I am choosing the first one. So with 2a I have to multiply the whole term, as well as with 9 also I have to multiply the whole term. Okay, so first 2a into, I am writing this whole term, 3x plus 4. Now here minus is there, so minus. With 9 you have to multiply the whole term, 9 into 3x plus 4. 9 into 3x plus 4. Now each and every one term, now this has been converted with monomial to binomial, monomial to binomial. So already you know how to multiply monomial with binomial. So multiply each and every term here. Okay, so that will be 2a into 3x. Here plus is there, so plus 2a into 4 minus 3 into 9 into 3x, minus into plus will be minus 9 into 4. Okay, now 2 3s are 6, a into x is ax, plus 2 4s is 8, only one a is there, minus 9 3s is 27x, minus 9 4s is 36. So this is our result. In this we don't have any like terms, so leave it in the same order. Okay, so next one, second one, x minus 2y and 2x minus y. So we have to multiply these two terms now. Given x minus 2y and 2x minus y, multiply these two terms, x minus 2y into 2x minus y. So it is a binomial with binomial, you convert into monomial with binomial. So each and every term you have to multiply with other bracket term, other expression. So x into 2x minus y, with this I have multiplied the whole term, minus 2y into 2x minus y. So with 2y I have multiplied the whole term. Okay, now it has been converted into monomial with binomial. So you know already how to multiply monomial with binomial. So x into 2x, these two I am multiplying, minus x into y, minus, now these two terms you multiply, 2y into 2x, minus into minus is plus, 2y into y. Okay, now 1 2s is 2, x into x is x square, minus x into y is xy, minus 2 2s are 4, y into x is also xy, plus 2 1s are 2, y into y is y square. Now which terms are like terms here? These two are like terms, so remaining terms you have to write as it is. So 2x square as it is. So xy, so I am writing xy. So this is minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1xy minus 4xy will be minus 5xy. Minus 1 minus 4 will be equals to minus 5, because minus into minus will be plus. 4 plus 1 is 5. Bigger number sign is minus. So you got it as minus 5. So minus 5xy. So if you solve these two, you got it as minus 5xy. And the last term is plus 2y square. So this is our result. Okay. So with this, we will stop. And tomorrow remaining problems we will continue. Thank you.